Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Schenelle, Brit for short, and over here on this channel we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, luxury, natural hair, fashion, and a little bit of travel. Today I have such an exciting video for you guys. This is yet another Ana Luisa collaboration. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring the pieces shown in this video. So as you guys know, Mother's Day is coming up and Ana Luisa has you guys covered. For your mothers, for your friends that are mothers, for yourself who's an expecting mother, or just for yourself who's not an expecting mother. You know, Ana Luisa has us all in mind. Right now, Ana Luisa is having an amazing sale, especially for Mother's Day. It is a BOGO, buy one, get one 40% off. I mean, how can you beat that? You absolutely can't. And let me tell you, any person that you gift any of these items, they will absolutely love and appreciate these gifts because they are just such high quality and they elevate every outfit. So if you're interested in seeing what I was able to get my hands on and what you can get your hands on, I do have a hyperlink down below. So just go ahead and click on that link. It will take you straight to the Ana Luisa website where you can check out all the pieces and the great sales. So before we hop right in and I show you these amazing high quality pieces, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up. It really does help to push my content out further. Also, I would love for you to join the family if you have not already. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also that bell notification, so you are notified every time that I put out a video. And if you have somebody in your life, that special lady, that may be interested in content similar to mine, go ahead and share my YouTube channel with them. I would love for them to also join this family in our community. All right, without any more rambling, let me just show you these pieces. So guys, I have the first piece on now, and I know that my hair is so big that you can't even see them, but I'm gonna come up close so that I can show you because these are such a stunner. So I've worn these to work because I wasn't sure if they were gonna fall out or not. They are basically huggies. Let me come up close. And look how they just run up the air. They are just so perfect. They complement literally any outfit. So if you don't want to draw too much attention away from your face, but you still want to make a simple yet bold statement, these are your girls. These are the Molly Huggies, and guys, they are secure, they're giving shine, they're giving class, they're giving I didn't try too hard, but I still look good. Let me just take these out for you. And again, they are simple. I don't know if you can see them. They match my infinity band that I got with the last Ana Luisa collaboration. Now you all know I couldn't do this video without a hoop, so I did get my hands on the Tia hoop. These are a medium size and they are absolutely perfect. They do not give you that like extra chunky Gordy look that sometimes we're going for, but these actually give you that simple yet dainty look. All right, so like I said earlier, these are the Tia. They are cute, ladies. They are cute. They are the perfect size. Not huge, but they will complement any outfit. And I think I'm gonna keep them on with this outfit today. And my last piece that I was able to get my hands on is the Noah ring. Now you guys have seen this dome ring several times. I wear it all the time to the point that I needed multiple. I have gold, I have silver, and I needed another one. This is the Noah ring. Let me bring it closer. So it gives off that dome shape and it is just perfect. Guys, every single woman needs this ring. She's a statement, she's bold, she's simple, and we love her. She is also perfect for stacking. So those were the pieces that I was able to get my hands on this time with Ana Luisa. Again, a great big thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video. Guys, as a reminder, go ahead and use that link down below to get your hands on all the perfect Mother's Day deals. All right, guys, so I wanted to hop right into the rest of this video. So I know that I'm super late, but I wanted to do a 2022 luxury wish list. I've been trying to do this video since January and then I don't know what happened. But we are here now. We're in the middle of April, so I mean, as long as I'm in Q2 of the year, then I mean, we still have time, right? We still have a majority of the year. So I have had my eyes on a couple of luxury items. I'm gonna run through these so fast for you guys. I'll try to put up some pictures, like inspiration from Instagram, from YouTube, from Pinterest, that have really just drawn me to these items. That I'm a strong believer in that when you put these things out in the universe and you just say to yourself, like, I'm going to have that, that's what happens. So I am, through this video, putting this out in the universe. I've also written the items down because I really love these items. So first things first, number one on my luxury wish list is the Loewe Obi belt. I am obsessed with the belt. You're gonna hear this about every single item because obviously they wouldn't be on this wish list if I wasn't obsessed with them. How I'm obsessed with them and I haven't felt them, I haven't touched them, I don't know. But the power of influencing is a real thing. So this belt is stunning and I think it complements every single shape, figure, size, height, weight, everything. So basically it's a belt, it's a waist belt that you wear it pretty high on the waist, so it gives kind of like a garter corset effect. The one that I have my eyes on is that cognac brown leather. I think Loewe just came out with a jeans version, which I'm not so much into. You guys know that I'm trying to get on the jeans wave, but I'm not really that much of a jeans girl. So I'm gonna stick with the leather one, and I will have that belt before the end of this year. Second on my list is the sleeper feather set. So I am obsessed with this. I want it in black because black is just so elevated. I know black is also a little heavy for South Florida, but yeah, it gets a little chilly here every now and then. Also, I'll probably be wearing it to film or to just be lounging in the house. But the coordinate is so elevated that, I mean, it can be worn out. Like this can be worn to like a fancy dinner if you accessorize correctly. The feathers are ostrich, so it just gives that extra level of sophistication and like class to the pajama set. I need that pajama coordinate set in my life. Third on my list are a pair of shoes. Let's just knock out all three shoes at one time. So number three is going to be the Manolo Hengisis. I have had my eyes on these pumps for like 2.5 years now, but I can never find my right size and the right colors. I've seen the light blue, I've seen the pinks, I've seen the yellows, and I recently saw purple on the Real in my size. It was like a deep purple, which I normally gravitate towards more lavenders, but it was snatched up before I could even put it in my cart. So there's that. But yeah, I absolutely love these heels. They are a classic. Those can definitely be dressed up or dressed down, and I just want them. I want them in my wardrobe. The second pair of shoes that I have had my eyes on are the mach&mach or mach&mach. These are the ones with the crystallized bow on top, and I think I want the slingbacks. Guys, I saw these on Noriana and I almost died. Literally, like I almost died. They are such an amazing shoe that you could have on a trash bag and look good, girl. Like the trash bag is gonna be elevated by the shoes because nobody's gonna be paying attention to the trash bag. The entire outfit is the shoe. You don't need jewelry, you don't need anything. Go out there and just have the shoes on, child. Just walk out, have the shoes on. They are a statement shoe. When I say a statement shoe, I mean they are everyone's Princess Cinderella shoe on like steroids. That's how good they are. I need them in my life. I will have those before the end of the year. Third shoe, and I think it's my final. Hold on, let me check my notes. Y'all know I have a shoe obsession. The third shoe and my fifth luxury wish list item are the Amina Muaddi Begum heels. Now, I've kind of been on the fence with these because they get mixed reviews. Some people say the crystals fall off. Some people say, why do they only come with one dust bag? Some people say the sizing is off. Others say the leather kind of implodes on itself. So, when I say mixed reviews, like bad reviews. But then there are other people that are like true Amina Muaddi collectors. They have like 25 of the shoes, and I figure if there are people that are buying multiple of these shoes, then that means there's something good about them. But again, I want these in a very bright, like statement color that I can match with a designer bag, which leads me to my sixth item, which is the Mini Bottega Jodi. This bag has been out for years plus now, and they just keep coming out with different designs, with different colors, with different textures. Bottega does this bag so good. It's like their pouch bag, but it is smaller, it's enclosed, it has a zipper, and it has a little handle. So this is the perfect going out bag. Again, can be dressed up, can be dressed down, and these designers like Manolo Blahnik, like mach&mach, like Amina Muaddi, they happen to be making shoes that perfectly complement these Bottega colors. So I need that combo. I need the Bottega Jodie Mini, and I need one of those 3 heels in a complementary color, just so that we could, you know, we can make a statement. Right. The next luxury item that I have been lusting over is Baccarat Rouge 540, the extract. I mean, I don't need to speak about it. You guys know about it, but it looks amazing. It looks amazing as a fragrance. How? I don't know. But I need to go into store to smell it so that I can make sure that I actually love it and that it really does resonate the way everybody says it does. So I'm excited to get my hands on that. It is extraordinarily pricey for a fragrance, like upwards to $500. So we gotta save our coins for that. But we will have it before the end of the year. The next item on my list are the Gucci Princetowns. That is a shoe. I should have put that in the shoe category. Guys, these shoes, I love them. I want to wear them with jeans, I want to wear them with shorts, I want to wear them with rompers, I want to wear them with swimsuits, I want to wear them all the time. Love these shoes. They come in ivory, they come in black, they come in all different patterns, but they are a solid leather shoe and they actually look better over time. So I have had my eyes on the ivory pair. Love them for us. Need those in my life. The second to last item is a Schenelle collector's piece. I want a true collector's item that like nobody can get their hands on. And I want it in a smaller size. That way it can be taken out on dates, things like that. So I have been scrolling through Fashion File. I will find this bag. It will not be full price. It will be pre-loved because I just can't with Schenelle. Their price increases right now. They're being ridiculous. But yes, I have been scrolling on Fashion File and I will have that before the end of the year. Last item, which is not really luxury, but it kind of is. It's a contemporary brand. It is an Australian fashion brand, and this is the Aj Impression dress. Guys, every time I see an influencer with this dress on, I literally die. Like my heart skips a beat. The dress is just perfect. It fits the body so well, and I've seen it in all shapes and sizes. But again, it sucks you in all the right places. It's a mini dress, which you guys know I love my little mini baby doll dresses. That is my 2022 luxury wish list. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you to Luisa for sponsoring this video. If you can, go ahead and use that link down below to take you straight to the Luisa website. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.